Hello mga anak, pabaon ulit mula sa aking paboritong libro. Ang sabi ay, He is not here. He has risen, just as He said. Mga anak, sa Bible po, maraming miracle stories. Feeding the 5,000, the Lazarus story, healing the bleeding woman, walking on water, the transformation of water into wine, at marami pang iba. His resurrection is the greatest miracle of all. It proves that Jesus is God. His power is limitless. Mga anak, He has conquered the grave. He has conquered sin. He gives us hope as believers for eternal life. Mga anak, ngayon at this moment, just whisper, I accept Jesus as my Lord